Dear student, we study second chapter is matter around us pure. In this at first we study about what is a mixture. What is a mixture? मिश्रण क्या है? A mixture is that form of matter in which two or more substance elements or compounds are present in any proportion. जब दो या दो से अधिक पदार्थ तत्व या यौगिक आपस में किसी एक निश्चित अनुपात में मिले होते हैं तो वह मिश्रण कहलाता है. एंड मिश्रण इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू टाइप्स, हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर एंड हेट्रोजीनियस मिक्सचर. ग्रुप फर्स्ट एंड A and B have obtained a mixture which has a uniform composition throughout. Such mixture are called homogeneous mixture or solution. Or other example of such mixture are salt in water and sugar in water. Groups C and D have obtained mixture which contain physically distinct part and have non-uniform components. Such mixture are called heterogeneous mixture. Mixture of sodium chloride and iron filling salt and sulfur and oil and water are example for heterogeneous mixture. So we can say that homogeneous mixture, a mixture which is perfectly uniform in its composition and properties throughout it called homogeneous mixture. Liquid homogeneous mixture are called solution. Kerosene is a homogeneous mixture of many hydrocarbon solution of common salt in water. Some common alloys are homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture, a mixture which has different composition in different properties in different location in a mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. For example, muddy water from a pond, mixture containing sugar and sand are heterogeneous mixture. A mixture of consisting in oil and water are heterogeneous mixture example. And now we study about what is solution. What is solution? A lump of sugar when placed in tea water disappear and its tea water becomes sweet. Where is sugar gone? Why does the tea water taste sweet? A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called a solution. When a small amount of sodium chloride is dissolved in water, a homogeneous mixture so obtained is called a solution of sodium chloride in water. The solution of sodium chloride in water is homogeneous because the properties of solution are the same throughout the solution. This means that if we take out 1 ml sample from different part of the solution, it will have the same degree of salty taste. And solution is made from the solute and solvent. Solute and solvent. A solution is obtained when a substance is dissolved in another substance. The substance which is dissolved to obtain a solution is called solute, whereas the substance in which the solute is dissolved in called solvent. For example, when a sugar is dissolved in water to obtain a sugar, when sugar is dissolved in water to obtain a sugar solution. Sugar is the solute and water is the solvent. Solutions are divided into two types, aqueous solutions and non-aqueous solution. Aqueous solution in which water is the solvent are called aqueous solution. For example, when sugar is dissolved in water, the solution obtained is called an aqueous solution of sugar. Non-aqueous solution, the solution obtained by dissolving a solute in any solvent other than water are called non-aqueous solution. Non-aqueous means without water. For example, if a solute is dissolved in any solvent such as benzene, alcohol, ether, carbon disulfide, carbon tetrachloride, acetone, etc., the solution obtained is called a non-aqueous solution. Solution of sulfur is carbon disulfide. Solution of iodine in carbon tetrachloride. Solution of iodine in alcohol.